Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Following that, you need to tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then click on Files and hold the chosen ones right away or click on those two filters at the top, Audio and Videos. You can also just click on those three lines at the top left corner and click on the best source for you, like Downloads. When you're ready, just hold your file that you wish to add and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!